Good morning, Philippines. So, karon guys sa Shangri-La Mactan. Kay natay cover nga event mo na siya ang gitawag na clean-up drive no na event guys. So, pagkitunta mo karon asa ta karon. So, mao na siya guys na nata sa mao na siya mga divers then papirmahon po og kanang certification or something ningon na for protection if ever mo dive ka. So, na siya diving gears, dagdagan ta diri na sa di pagkaon diri guys. So, kuha na siya Atelier Amelie. What do you mean by Atelier Amelie? Ano?
So,
Amelie ba? Amelie?
Atelier Amelie, it means
Amelie.
shop in French,
Ah,
Atelier. And
shop.
Amelie is my niece name.
Wala dito, ngayon?
Wala.
Ay, sayang.
Sorry.
Okay. So, Miss Jem, actually, guys, Miss Jem is one of the owner here. So, you're also one who's baking all of
No,
this.
it's my sister,
Si
the
Miss,
chef.
si Miss, ano?
Jam.
Hi, Miss Jap. Kayo po talagang chef po kayo
Yes
talaga.
po. Nagbe-bake po.
Ano pong pangalan nito, Miss Jem?
This one is the Naughty Wonderland.
Hmm.
We put different nuts. This one has almonds, macadamia, walnuts, and then we also put cashew, pecans, and pistachios.
Hmm.
This one naman po, we also brought the Rebel Bars. This one's also our famous product, one of our best sellers. And this one is the pistachio katay bar.
Okay.
Opo.
Nice, no?
Wait, sir, pwede namin ilagay yung para nindot.
Oh, sure. So, guys, actually, mao ni ang ilang kuan, mao ni ilang box whenever you order outside Cebu. Yes. So,
Yes. Opo. Whenever we ship to Cebu, we make sure that it's vacuum sealed para to retain the freshness. Yes. Yes, buo po. Yeah, we don't want it to get here na parang sira-sira
Kaya
yung
nga.
itsura niya.
May box pa.
Fresh. Nice, no? Galing. Tas, how much does it cost this one, this box?
This one is 1199. Or if naka-sale siya, karon 799.
799.
So
Tas-
9 big pieces na.
So how can you order through your page?
Yes, IGN Facebook.
Okay, yes.
Sa Atelier Ang.
Tas pwede naman siya assorted, no?
Yes, I assorted. Nuts. This one is premium topping. So na ay Ferrero, Biscoff, Nutella, Red, pieces.
Nice. Ano siya, guys, oh? So, makatilaw ginawa later. So, they also have...
Katilaw ang tanan.
Oo.
Kanya.
That's like for example, there, guys. Busy ka na sila. So, for how many stores do you have?
So, we do online lang.
Okay.
But we deliver ako to Mindanao for every day.
Really? Mas grabe yung demand sa Mindanao, no? Oo.
Usually pag Mindanao, ang favorite nila is the Katay fee. Kasi parang sa Muslim, daghan ng Muslim na client. So, Katay fee, Dubai Katay
So,
fee. Gikan
ano?
pa sa Dubai ang among supplier. So, authentic yung mixture.
Oh, grabe, no? And may followers ako, Miss Gemma, nagtatanong if just in any case you gusto mag-franchise, pwede ba?
Oh,
Ano?
partner.
Ah,
Siya.
so si Miss makakasagot.
Makasagot.
Franchise po.
Right now, we're not yet open for franchising,
Okay.
sir. So you can directly order from us. Also, we can also book us for events or cards. Let's say,
Pwede
for
din
example,
pala.
for like
Birthdays,
celebrations, corporate events, debut, or
Pambata.
weddings. We also do
Pwede din,
that.
okay.
Yes. We can give you some photos para you can show it.
Sige. Okay.
Let me see.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah.
So guys, for more information, please do like and follow their FB pages. Atelier?
Yes.
Atelier Amelie. Ang guys. So, camera station. Mga sila mga gadgets kayo. So, mga tank, yun na. So, mahilig mag-dive. So, kita dari, di man tagibaw mo dive. Ari lang, tapos babaw. Magkunkuha na ta. Mag-video. Eh, dolphin ito. Tadi. Cheers. 3, 2, 1. So, ano siya guys, Shangri-La. We have also partners, Cathy's Rotary Club, Dive and Clean Up, and Clean Up Club, No Barrier for presenters. Kani Ma'am Lods ka how many years or karon naman na siya?
We started it last year.
Last year lang. Okay. So kumbaga more second time around na siya.
So murag mag 1 year, padulong pa mig 1 year kay we started last March.
I see. So congrats by the way.
Thank you very
Yeah,
much.
and I'm just curious no kay kani siya is different like sakto ba PWD, right? Amo
The
clean up,
event.
the event.
Okay, sige, na mixed up ko. You're asking about the DCC, the Dive and Clean Up
yes,
Club,
yes.
which started last year. But for the kining discovery scuba dive for the persons with disabilities,
Okay.
this is our fourth event. So
Okay. I see.
even before I organized we started already for a few years ago. So
Years.
this is our fourth event.
I see. 4 years na day. Ma'am Luz, that is actually first time na ko mag-cover event nga PWD, sakto ba, no? PWD.
Persons with disabilities discovery scuba dive.
I see, okay. Unsa may kanang advocacy nimo ma'am? Why specific PWD?
Actually, we all started with the group that I founded, Dive and Clean Up Club. Okay, last year pa man na siya. No? But prior to that, even if wala pa ko'y club, naka-event na ko ani. Because I partnered with PADS. No? So I did the training with Dragon Boat. So basically, ang first few PWDs nga akong gipa scuba dive were PADS nga Dragon Boat Racing Team. Because in PADS Dragon Boat Racing Team, 50% of that athletes, they are persons with disabilities.
I see.
So that's where I got to know them. And then, pura siya exchange, since I was into scuba diving at that time, I thought of letting them experience, because I have discovered the tranquility, the beautiful underwater world, and somehow it's not in their minds that, and not even in their imagination, that will they be able to experience it. So that's my gift to them. And the first event, it was very emotional, no? Unexpected. We were all crying. And so because of that, more and more PWDs were clamoring for events like this. So that's why naabot yun mi og ika-fourth nga wave namo karon. Oo. And this time around nakanindot niya because I've already founded lagi yun murag official nga dive and clean up club. So we are scuba divers. We're primarily scuba divers who collaborate with mga resorts and conduct underwater clean up. So kini siya nga event, mura ni siya special event namo. So today, even if we have discovery scuba dive for the persons with disabilities, since ang among primary advocacy gyud is to do underwater clean up, naagyapon tay underwater clean up.
Okay. Ma'am, nalakoy kanang curious nga kanang question no. Why specific PWD? Unsay message mo ganahan i-relay sa mga people with PWD?
The title of our event is No Barrier. So the reason why we have chosen that title because we want to get that message across that underwater there is no barrier. Anyone can dive. Anyone is entitled or has the privilege to see the beautiful underwater world. So if they can, nga persons with disabilities, why can't you? Na you are complete. Yeah.
Nice kayo, ma'am. Nga imong advocacy no. Naay followers mo ba nag-ask a question? Is it open? Is it open for everyone? Like, is there any registration or something? Like, kailangan mo join?
Okay, we basically concentrate. The partnership is with the PADS.
Okay.
Oo. So, if you wish to join, we might be able to consider that. But we have to coordinate with PADS. Kay that's our primary na kanang group yun.
Okay. I see. Okay, that's good, ma'am. And ma'am, please do invite like people who would like to join. Also, FB page, anything.
Oh, if you happen to be a licensed scuba diver, you can reach out to me so that you can also take part in any of our activities. So again, primarily we are a dive and clean up club wherein we collaborate, we offer or we conduct underwater clean up, but we also do special events like this, like discovery dive for persons with disabilities.
So, where to contact you, ma'am?
Oh, Okay, pwede ta mag-text me 0917-328-1089 but pwede pod ko ninyo pangitaon sa Ludiville Maatilio, that's my personal FB account, or Journeyscapes
Yes,
with Ludi.
yes. So please
That's
like
my
and follow,
FB.
guys.
Please like and follow.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
Sexy
too.
kayo. Ganun. Thank you, thank you.
All you have to do is to sign beside your name.
May ikugtas ko
So
an
we, Miss
assistant.
Aiza is routing
traveler yung
officer.
assistant.
Please make sure that you
So everyone ko na guys, from Dabi's
pwede
Burger
announce.
Breakfast. Diba? Thank you, Dabi's. Bay-bay gatong partner ko guys. So we actually have Dabi's for breakfast. Burger na siya sa atong bayhan. First time na ako makatilaw Dabi's. So, ako na to. Grabe yung pagka-sale, no? So, excited na mga tilaw ni guys. Kasi usabay ni sa kanang more trending dito sa Cebu karon or sa Mandaue. Ang Dabi's. Okay nga po mga content creators dito guys naka-adog Dabi's sa I think Mandaue. So, di ko sure kung unsa ni siya nga type of burger kaya naman ay kuan tabrihan sa sulod. So, na siya burger o cheese. So, I think cheeseburger siguro ni. Hmm. In fairness, soft ang ilang kuan, ilang bun. Okay pa ilang patog cheese, dili kayo para sakto lang niya. I don't know the price pero murag sakto rin guys, swak na siya sa paano. It mo order man ko sa akin swak ra. Okay, mga busog. So karon guys, atong tilawan ang ilang atelier cheese and chocolates. So kani siya karon assorted niya. So nasa yung mga chocolates. Then nasa drizzle siya with kwan pistachio, I think. Pistachio or matcha. So, tilawan. Ano na siya eh? Oatmeal, something. I mean, in fairness guys, no? Especially sa mga sweet lovers, sa mga sweet tooth. Ma-enjoy dyan yun. Nang karoon. Ayan, brownies. Very soft. Ano kaya? In fairness, siya yung basa-basa ang pagkakuan. Okay siya pagkaluto. And then, ang yung kuan. Yung ingredients malasahan yung premium din siya basa-basa kasi. So worth it kayo. Mga na, dagang kisalag-halin dito sa Mindanao. No? Karon sa Cebu, nagpagkinamda sa kuan. Mactan Cebu. So if you want more order guys, please like and follow their page at TV if you want orders or inquiries. So, mga nagili kayo so, Dive and Clean Up Club for a cause. Nandito siya kayo na siya advocacy, so I guess more ready na sila. Nagano-ubay kita sila guys. If wala kayong body po, meron namang mga somebody. Matagal na kayo nag-ano, Miss Jem?
Last year ako nagpa-license.
Ay, talaga? Ay, kailangan talaga ng license yan?
Pero bawal kang, hindi ka tayo.
Oo nga, no? Di basta-basta. Kasi may training yan eh.
Naka-training,
Tsaka
winner
certification.
pass it.
Yeah. So, ilang meters kaya nyo po?
20.
Ang galing. Grabe naman. Talagang, pero minsan sumasali kayo mga competition, di naman.
Yes, sir.
But-
Na-try ko pa lang last year.
But gusto nyo pong mag-dive? Ano po yung gusto nyo ma-experience? Kumbaga?
It's so peaceful down there talaga. As in, parang meditation, murag meditation siya. Na you get to think. Kasi sa labas, sa gawas, sa taas, super noise, daghanang noise.
True.
So down there, it's just you and breathing.
True.
So that's what I like the most.
Tsaka kakaibang experience, no? Kasi,
Experience. Tapos na ay mga jellyfish na nakita ako. Oo, masakit. So parang different ang mga experience down
True.
there. And na ay Nemo. It's my favorite movie.
true. Wow.
Favorite movie ang Nemo kay
Nemo.
maligaw ko.
At least nakita mo rin si Finding Nemo.
Yes.
Oh.
Found Nemo.
Thank you so much. Baka gusto pong
Thank
mga
you.
divers na gustong mag-try din. Baka gusto nyo pong
Try
I-encourage sila.
try scuba diving. It's a different experience, Jude. So, ano siya, maka-help sa mental health, Nemo. Good.
thank you so much.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Our fourth wave. We've been doing this for the past years, and I'm so happy to share with you that for the first time, we have partnered with Shangri-La Mactan Cebu. Woo! Wala ba kayo kamay dyan? Kaya, especially our program, I'd like to call on Miss Irene Victoria Apas, our social media manager of Scottish Action Sports Network, to lead a prayer.
Let us put ourselves in the holy presence of God as we all say, in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Heavenly Father, we gather here today for No Barrier 4 with grateful hearts. Thank you for bringing us together despite the challenges we face, even as the weather is uncertain. And
Sige, ito yung name mo, boss?
Jason, sir.
Jason? Pwede. Jason, okay. So, kuhan siya, inspiration siya sa mga Gen Z, mga karon na? Millennial Gen Z?
Agency. Oh, millennial.
Okay. So, actually, dugay na ka sa pads.
Bago pa ko, sir.
Bago pa ka.
Na-recruit nila.
Yun sa yung pag-join sa pads.
Actually, sir, i-introduce ko sa kuan o sa member sa PADS nga si Ken. Kuan nga po ng 50.
Okay.
Auto na kuan sa ko, sir, wala na engganyo sa ko, ganahan ko appeal sila kuan kay. Nindot pa ila community ko, di puros na dagan mi wa. Pre na po ang 50, sir.
Awesome. Ilan nakaka-months or years
Na kuan, sir.
nga ni join sa pads?
Kuan ba, sir? Months pa, sir?
Months pa. First time yun yung mga...
Oo.
Okay. So, okay na, happy na kayo?
Okay na, after, sir.
Okay daw. Basi ka na nakay ka ng uban ko nga kaya bitong KH ni mo ka ng same ni mga PWD nga gana mo join. Kung same mo makasulti o encourage mo sila.
Para sa mga pareha na ko nga ako at PWDs so amputees ba ron or sa disability nimo free na kayo mo join sa PADS kay dawat rapod kayo mo sa PADS o sa mga tao nasa sulod sa PADS kaya nga sila ka ng mga masinabtan nun niya nindot sa ilang vibes, sir.
Oo. At sa way community.
Community nila.
Asa sila pwede mo contact sa pads?
Kung ganahan sila mo join sa PADS, pwede rin sila mo-contact sa kuan. Sila sila page sa Facebook.
Page.
Oh, PADS, sir. PADS. Dragon Boat Team yan. Kaya Sir JP, sir.
Okay. Okay, kay goods kayo. Kuan pa kaso no ka eskwela, go work.
Paano, sir? Nara ko sa baler.
Okay. Thank you kayo. Kasi nakay ka ng panawagan, mga wash out, mga kayaban diyan. So,
Shout out lang ako sa akong family. Sa akong family. O sa mga amigo na ko.
thank you so much. God bless. Thank you.
Sir, thank you.
Buntag sa tanan. Thank you for coming and being part of the Dive Barrier 4. He will be demonstrating on my behalf. Ay ako rin magstorya. So, we're gonna learn a few skills in scuba diving. So, we have this what we call basic skills. Simple na jud kayo siya. We're gonna teach you how to breathe in, breathe out through your mouth. Kay mostly of you kay first timers man, right? Okay. Let me see the participants by the way. Raise your hands, please. Okay. Participants 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
15, sir. 15.
Okay. 15. So, ako ginislatan na lang doon, no? Wala first time, right? Okay. Kinsa may naka-second time na diri. Okay, cool. Anyway, Roswin here is wearing the dummy. So, ang skills, iyang i-perform slowly. But I'm gonna be just a voice-over. So, atong bigla diri karon panahon na ito. Yeah? Alright. So, we're gonna learn basic skills of scuba diving. Some ng basic skills. First, how to breathe through your regulator. Okay? Ano siya itong gitawag regulator? This is your second stage, your primary regulator. Naka-connect na siya through first stage, then your tap.
Deeply grateful for the first time we have Shangri-La Mactan Cebu as our venue. Yay! Oy, at kani mga nakagin, mga gwapo-gwapo na nakaluyo. Hindi mahuman ang atong event or will not be possible kay kini sila ang mutabang og broadcast sa atong event. Our other media partners, we have Cebu Happening, Sir Paul Ian! So, official na din siya taga BCC nato nga event na agi ni si Sir Ian. And then we also have GMT Mindset.
Present! Present!
Si Jim! Okay, so Smile, makita din mo anak nila, Smile, dayon mo, kay mabutang mo din ha sa patagan. Not the least, ayaw mo o pangkupot ka mo because we have Chinito Wonders! So real! Guys, please like and follow their pages ha, kay dito na ito makita ng atong event. Every hour, muguwa ang atong event dito, starting today. From Shangri-La Mactan, ang pinakahusgan, pinakagwapo, Sir Lloyd Malinaw, our for the welcome remarks. Sir Lloyd! Shira Banusenko, ay dito, sir.
May butag. So, Shangri-La Mactan, welcome to Shangri-La Mactan. Thank you, Ms. Ludi, for choosing Scottish and Shangri-La Mactan for this meaningful activity. Remember, pag ako no, so first time na ako mag-dive because when I was a student, I was introduced to marine biology. Nakita na ko dito nga, isa sa mga privilege nga mag-marine biology is that nang makadive ka. And then not everyone can experience and enjoy the wonders of the underworld, the underwater world. Sorry. Okay?
What's your name?
Marcus.
Which community are you belong to?
What do you mean? What community do I?
Hey, yeah, like you have community for divers like that?
Yeah, I belong here. I come here like every week.
Ah, really?
Dive. Yeah, it's really fun.
Where are you from?
I'm from America.
Ah, okay. But you've stayed here for Cebu or in the Philippines for a long time, or you travel a lot?
No, I'm just traveling. I travel a lot.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay.
It's so much fun.
And you also like picking up trashes in the sea right now?
Oh yeah, that's like when my first day we came, and it was like my second dive ever. We just picked up trash on the way. It was really fun. Yeah, it's a good time.
So do you have a quota in mind? How many trashes would you like to bring?
As much as possible. Take it all out.
Where are you, by the way, from? US?
Oh, I'm from Kentucky.
Ah, Kentucky. Okay. Do you have any the one that's on your same age? Do you have any messages that would like to join also? Would like to encourage them?
Just try it. Like it's, I don't know. A lot of people have like this fear of the water,
Ah, yeah.
and it's like, but once you take that first breath, you get like the whole confidence down, and it's so much fun.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, I saw a sea turtle the other day.
Yeah, right. Wow.
That was
Really?
awesome.
Do you have it right now? No.
I wish.
Only photo.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Do you have any shout out to your family? Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Irene from Padis guys. So, mga na natay followers mga na unsa mo ginang Padis?
PADI, sir, it's the Professional Association of Diving Instructors. Sila ang muhatag og certifications, mga e-learning courses
Okay.
na para ma-certify ka as
Certified.
scuba diver.
So actually guys, before ka mahimong legit nga sa scuba diver, may dapat din mo agi ka certification. Usa na diha ang Padis, right?
PADI, sir, duha sila dire ang sikat, sir, SSI o PADI. Ang Scotties kay PADI ang amo ang agency.
Ah, I see. Okay. Asa dapita location diri sa Padis?
Ang PADI, sir, kay kuha na siya international.
International. Okay. And pwede ra ba i-mention o pila?
Pila.
Kaya I mean like, di ba ang magpa-certify ka? Like how much ang bayaran or something?
Depende siya sa dive shop, sir. Diri sa Scotties kay naman siya Shangri-La, so medyo taas-taas niya.
Beta. Sige, so for more information, saan pag-contact sa Padis?
PADI, sir, you can look them up in their page and dapat sila social media sa Facebook, Instagram. Pero naa sila website. Then pwede po ka mag-download og PADI nga app.
Unsa ang page sa kwan? Padis.
PADI? PADI ra, sir.
Padira.
Oh.
Okay. Sige. So Miss Erin, lumad ka Tagala pula for Cebu?
From Compostela, Cebu,
Compostela, okay. Kasi na kay, thank you so much. O basta na kay gusto panawagan, wash out mga kauyaban.
sir. Wala, hi lang.
Thank you so much. Good luck. Mag-dive na siya guys. Ready na outfit. Outfit check. Thank you. Padung na to sa diving spot. Kaya sinata sa boat. Jetty niya padung sa Scottish counter. Lakaw lang tayo gamay. So na siya tumoy sa Shangri-La. Shangri-La Mactan.
Ay, sorry.
Ay, sige miss. Kira. Boat Jetty, Curry Cove, Ocean Pavilion, lapit guys. So, ano siya? Super nice. Mga restaurants. Seafood restaurant na siya, Curry Cove. I've been working here before. So, yun na siya katsada guys. Ayan siya kanina guys. Oh. Pwede siya pictorial, diri dapita, mga kasal, dibo, something. So, diri ta mag-dive. Limpyo man sa restaurahan, may kanina diri guys. Saan sila kami nga association or community?
Once, I'm with the PADS organization.
Sa Pads Puga.
Yes.
Okay. Wala ka mo lang ron. Di ka ganang mamunit pa.
Ay, dili, uy. Kuan. Pero, hearing problems niya. Feel ako maglisod ko mag-scuba dive.
Okay. So, that's why part po ka sa PWD.
Yes.
Alright. But, well...
Ay, nasa laing reasons kanong PWD.
Si Sir. Napoy line reasons.
Okay.
But definitely mo kuan po sa mo dive ka.
Yes, of course.
Wow. So karon aso for today's video dili lang sa kamo.
Dili lang sa. Feel ako next. Mo-charge it ko.
So picture lang di ka or unsa man?
Picture lang.
Sige
Picture
lang.
lang. Christine.
From
Kanduman.
Kanduman. I see. Basig na kay ganang panawagan wash out mga kauyaban or something.
Kuan, I'm Christine from UCLM and
You see. Sensitive.
Actually, I live in the slums of Tondo, Manila, and the life there is
Tondo.
very poor. It's very sad. Answer to ni Katrina Nagri.
Ang miss you din
Kaya huwan.
Wait. Minsan na kayo wash out diha unsa man?
Wash out ko sa akong mga friends and family there and sa akong mga bashers.
Hey! Sheesh!
Charay, filler.
Sige.
Marato. Bye, guys.
Thank you so much. Kinern. So, mo rin siya guys. Very nindot kayo dere, no? So, relaxing. So, ato sa tanawon dere taon nga unsa kadaghan na ang mga basurahan nga ilang pulitan. Dili siya learn ka scuba diving so at the same time kanang makatapos sa kasi nature kay kuan ba ni kanang clean up drive ba ni siya, no? Will, good luck Will! Kaya mo yan! Sir, sir, pila ka sako yung mamakuha ron? Sako price. Ito mga members sa Pasquez. So. So, sulayan natin na ako guys. So, magkupot ito dahil napita kay magtuyutuyan ko siya guys. So, dagat na ako siya pala. Mabasa ako kasi. Aso pa natin guys. Gusto man ya? Okay kayo? Wala yung basurahan dito ya?
Wala man kakayo.
Wala kayo limpyo maguno? Bawa siyang rila ba ya? Okay kayo? Dugay ang ka-driver ya?
Wala garo parang tawag.
Karon pa? Pagura ka?
Siya pa kandungan mo dahil to dilaw.
Pero bago na kang member sa Pads magkaya na?
Pads.
Dugay. Bago na.
Dugay na. 3 years.
Sige din name mo ya.
Eugene.
Taga
Makpan ron.
Magkano. Kasi na kay wash out ya mga asawa, mga kaya pa.
Ikaw alam ko sa among nasilingan diyan. Ang kanina namin sa Sagrila, nag-diverse karon adlaw. Gali baring.
Galibaring. Thank you so much ya. Thank you. Sure mo, tana ko sir ba? Usually pagka ng part ka or community sa Pads, pila ang weight anang
You mean aka ng tank nila?
tank.
Wala ko idea sir since mong good like wala kay experience sa scuba diving.
Okay. But when somebody would join sa Pads,
Yes sir.
naa na siya mura ka ng orientation sa
Yes sir, nami ka ng form of application form
right,
for
right.
pads, and then nami ka ng practice every Sunday and Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Yes.
And then everyone can join or na mo screening po.
Actually, nami screening sir kay I think the youngest paddler is 15 years old and nami senior citizens.
Really?
Yes.
Pwede gyapon.
Yes sir.
But naay ka ng follower nako ba nag-ask a question like kung mo join sa Pads, is it specific yun nga dapat PWD ka or pwede
No,
na pag-delete?
no sir, ang kanino sa pads kay we're accepting able and disabled person. So with that kanang makabuild me og setting na understanding ba between person with disability og normal people because kanang sa paddling man good kay di siya it doesn't matter if naka-disability as long as you are able to paddling.
Nice. Pila ka years kayo Pad?
Ano ba ko sir, 2 years.
2 years. But ang Pads yun like
I think
community?
it's since 2016.
2016.
Yes sir.
Okay. Sige, name mo.
My name is Roosevelt
And from
pads.
like specific asa ka sa Cebu ka or?
Yeah, I'm from Cebu City and also I am the youth president of Cebu City.
Okay. Kasi nakikita na panawagan, wash out, kanang ngitag ka kauyaban mo.
No, I think ako lang i-share or i-say something kay I would like to encourage the youth to please participate and involve yourself that the things that can empower you and enrich your capacity. That's all.
Nice, thank you so much. Sir, last question na lang yun sa Pads ba, is it like ang inyong activities is just only specific for diving lang yun or napakalain?
No sir, we recently we have the leadership camp. We do some adaptive sport like tennis, pickleball, volleyball, and also wheelchair basketball. And sa pad namin mga multiple sports nga gi-offer pero ang among main nga sports which is ang paddling.
Okay. So sir, unsa gito yung occupation nyo? If just in case na ikanahan mo join sa inyong community?
Yes, you can share. You can chat in our page Philippine Accessible Disability Services at Facebook.
Thank you so
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Magtagalog na siya, ma'am. Bisaya, ha? Bisaya.
Maayong hapon. Yeah, this was my first time to try scuba diving, and yeah, the first minutes were a bit scary, but after time I really enjoyed it, and I'm really grateful for this experience, and I wanna thank you all for making this possible, and yes, I really enjoyed it. Thank you very much.
Untag paron. Kaya nagpasalamat po sa sponsor ani labi na sa Sagrila. Ang akong gibati no, i-share lang nako ninyo kanang wa man ko kulbai kanang nalipay ko nya dili na ko ikalimod ang akong gibati gilugi ko sa ako ang katunggong mapagikuan sa baba gilugi ko dili man sa pagmila-mila unya. Sige ko pangayon ni Lord nga, Lord, pakauna lang ko ani kay gusto ko madto sa lawom laki. Kunya di manggig kaya, nasa sige ko kampo sa yaha. So wa siguro gihatag ni Lord sa ko masin sa sunod.
Nakali siya mo doon. Go sir!
buntag karon sa tarang so mauna sa lahat tadi pa ako yaso sa ang akong experience pasalamat ko sa sponsor sa bao kana sa Pads o sa Sangrila rin kanang ako din na experience nga karon kay first time jud ako no kanang Primero, kulkulba, pero pagkauna dyan, pagkakuan, madugay mo yun. Lindot siya. Nakakuan ko dito sa laon, nagkaki, nakita na ko mga isda bito, kanang mga tuyong, kanang unsap to mga kolor ito. Dahil na kanang ron ya. If kanang mato ko sa laon, murag to kakong dunggan po, masiyong morang dinigi ko ka-drop ato yaong sa kuan dagat kay musiyong para kong dunggan ko to lami sa kanang tunga-tunga. Pero nakatong yun sa laon nga, bahin nga nakita na ko dagan yung mga koralit ito nga mga isda. Nga, salamat day sa tanan day nga karon po nag-experience na ba sa susunod na lang nga makakuha ka po ni na kanang makuha na po ang kanang kuha din nga mga di namin makapuyaw kaya naka-experience na mi. Daghang salamat po.
Mo nang basura na kuha ni Model?
Mo nakuha dol.
Pila na ka kilo na?
Ako nga ako kundi 20 ka kilo, 30 ka kilo
Oo ba?
dito.
Pwede yung patimbang na? Agi yung basura gyud. Most of it kaya mga kuan isit mga guests dari kalawang nagay nakuha here. Diba? So let's save the environment guys. After ligo ba? Ligo ba? So muna yung setup karon kay ready naman for lunch na po buffet. So, of course, atong Achille, Amile, mga lamian nga kuan, nga itong gikaon ganiya, mga pastries and chocolates. And of course, Venus and Mars Natural Skincare. No? Ano siya yung favorite part sa itong event karon guys, no? So of course, nata siya siyang nilagay sa mga una ka. So, ganun nga ito pagkaon guys. So, ano yung pagduduha mga on kita kaya siyang nila na gani. Ano siya kita dance by the sea. Time check. 12:25 p.m.
I hope you guys enjoyed today, and maybe let's ask Judy to do that again during the year, okay?
Thank you. So we will be having No Barrier 5. Yes, sometime July. Last but not the least,
JMT Mindset!
Yes, so much. Nagawa na na. Yan, so much.
Okay, ready? Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.